Hi y'all, it's Zinnia. I haven't been uploading anything to my channel for the last 2 weeks. I'm sorry, but I have a good reason for that. Look at this. This was my study room where I spend most of my time in when I'm at home. I do my calligraphy here, I read my books, play the piano and listen to music. And now since the COVID-19 lockdown, I'm working from home. I'm basically in this room every day from dusk till dawn. I knew it needed to be tidied up. It's been a mess for a long time, and it needed to be done more than ever. And to be fair, I didn't have the time before, but now I have no excuse for not doing it. Have a look at it now. I haven't done much in decoration, but it took me a week to go through all my old artworks and papers. I checked a lot of them which I haven't been able to bring myself for doing it in the past. I just love hanging out in here now. So what do you think? I thought you may want to see where I shoot my videos. If not, let me know in the comment. I would like to know what else you guys like to see besides calligraphy. Alright, now let's get back to our today's episode. Today I'm gonna show you how to write capital L in Engrosser script using the word love. And at the end of the video, I'll demonstrate how I decorate love in a couple of ways. Without further ado, let's get into it. Capital L. This letter is done in one stroke. Start with the entrance stroke like an horizontal oval, and an S curve with a narrow loop along the base line. Now I'll write love with the minimum ink, which allows you to see more clear on how each stroke is written. I'll do it once again with the normal ink supplied. Love is a popular word people often use in writing cards, so I think it would be useful to show you how to decorate it. The first one I'm gonna write contains more flourishing. Again, it's all about ovals and circles. This one is more simple and modern looking. Well, how about you start a little project to write a quote with this word and hashtag Zizicalligraphy on Instagram. I would love to see your creations. In the next video, we are going to write capital M using the word majestic. Just a reminder that my 300 subscribers giveaway is still on. There is still 100 more to go, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye!